Hello everybody, hopefully you're doing well and staying safe. We will start up with a new lesson, speed and energy. You were being asked to open this door and you opened it. Think of what you could have used to open up this door. It is energy, yes. So you used energy to open up that door. Energy is the ability to do work. Scientists classify energy into two forms. We'll study about those two forms today. Before we start up, you can see here a spring. Write down your observations about spring and the energy that is stored in the spring, or how do we use it. So as we said, scientists classify energy into two main forms, stored energy and energy of motion. First, we'll talk about stored energy. Potential energy is the energy that is stored inside an object. This stored energy, potential energy, can be energy due to position, such as this book on the desk. You see its position there. How much higher you take things, they will have more potential energy due to the position. How much higher we go, the more increase is there in the potential energy. The other stored energy is the energy due to elasticity. For example, here you can see that you are pressing on this spring. This spring gains stored energy because it is being stretched. So this spring, when after stretching, it will use this energy to push back. The other form of energy is the energy of motion, or the kinetic energy. Kinetic energy, or energy of motion, is the energy an object has because it is moving. The energy of motion an object has depends in part on the object's speed. Let us say you are riding a bicycle. If you increase your speed, your kinetic energy increases. If you slow down, your energy of motion or your energy of kinetic decreases. If you stop, then you no longer have energy of motion. Apart from speed, kinetic energy also depends on mass. Let us say we have these two trucks. One on the right side is having less mass, and on the left side is having more mass. So the one with more mass is going to have more kinetic energy. We can give objects energy by applying a force to them. For example, you see here a pitcher applies force to a baseball as he is throwing it. This will cause the ball to start moving and gain energy of motion. On the other hand, the catcher applies another force to the ball as he is catching it. So the catcher decreases the speed of the ball, so the kinetic energy decreases.